In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Godaddy Coming Soon page. If you've just set up your new website through Godaddy, you might have noticed that instead of your site, a Coming Soon page is what's showing to visitors. Now, while this placeholder is useful for letting the world know something exciting is on its way, you'll want to replace it with your actual site as soon as you're ready. So let's go through the steps to make that happen smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your Godaddy account. Simply head over to the Godaddy website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you need to navigate to the My Products section. This is where you can see all the domain names you own. Find the domain associated with the website you want to work on. From here, you'll want to manage the domain you're working on by clicking on the Manage button next to it. Once in the Domain Manager, you'll see several options. Focus on finding the hosting plan associated with your domain. Click on the Manage button beside your hosting plan. Doing this will take you to the hosting dashboard, which is where you have more control over the content that's displayed on your domain. Within the hosting dashboard, look for a section labeled Website or Content. This part can vary slightly depending on the specific hosting plan you have through Godaddy, but there's typically an option to manage your site's content. Here, find the Coming Soon page. Sometimes, it's as simple as toggling an option off or unchecking a box that states Display Coming Soon page. Another possibility is that, if you've been using Godaddy's website builder, the Coming Soon page might have been set up as your website's home page. In that case, navigate through the builder's settings and look for Site Pages or something similarly titled. Your homepage settings might simply need to be adjusted to show your actual site content instead of the placeholder page. A key tip to remember here is patience and double-checking every setting. It's not uncommon for these placeholder settings to be tucked away under different tabs or obscure labels, so take your time. When all changes are made, it's always a good idea to review them in a preview mode if that's available, or publish the changes directly if you're confident everything looks right. Once you've made these adjustments, clear your browser cache or try loading your website in an incognito window to see the changes instantly. Sometimes, previously cached data can make it seem like the old page is still active when it isn't. Finally, if you happen to encounter any issues or if things aren't quite working as anticipated, remember that Godaddy's customer support can be a great help. They can assist with more technical problems or specific hosting configurations. That's it for today's video. I hope these steps have made it easier for you to get your Godaddy website live and visible to the world. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.